In this quick video, I wanted to show you how you can do a dry cuticle removal. So a cuticle removal without any cuticle remover, without any liquid remover, or without soaking your nails. And this method is good for people who care regularly for their nails and they keep the skin around the nails healthy and nudged back so it's not overgrown. If the skin around your nails is overgrown and it's a total mess, please watch the video that I'm including at the end. Do that beginner routine first until everything is under control, and then if you want, you can try this method. There are benefits to dry cuticle removal. Cuticle removers can be irritating to the skin around the nails, for example. Some people can be quite sensitive to them. They make the nail absorb a lot of water, which can mess with the nail polish and especially gel polish adhesion to the nail. The nail polish and the gel polish adheres the best to a very dry surface. So first, I would suggest wiping the nails with pure acetone because that will show you everything. And you need a sharp tool, but you need to be careful with this method so you don't scratch your nails. But you also have to be careful with the cuticle remover. So this goes for both methods. If you use a dull tool for this purpose, you will probably apply too much pressure on the tool and you can injure the nail by putting a lot of pressure to this area, which can create lines as the nail grows. So be careful, don't push down too much. And as you can see, I do these little circles which lift the dead cells from the nail. I'm using a glass tool from Gladsey. You need to be gentle with it because it's glass, but it has a perfect level of sharpness for this purpose. And if you're interested, I have a link to this tool in the description box. After you are done with the manicure, you can wash the tool with a soft brush and water and soap. And then wrap the tool in a towel because they can break or chip very easily. And why remove cuticle? You really don't have to remove cuticle unless you are polishing your nails. Nail polish will not stick properly to a nail plate that has cuticle cells stuck to it. So if you want to keep your nails neat looking without polish, I would suggest nudging the living skin with a gentle tool like I show in a video that I include at the end. But if you are polishing your nails, then you need to remove the cuticle and you can try this method if you want. By the way, I get a lot of questions asking if you can nudge back the living skin when wearing nail polish. And of course you can. This nail, as you can see, has some clear gel because we're testing something. So as you can see, I can clean up the cuticle area even with this gel on the nail. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.